Welcome back, everyone. Now back to the situation in New Jersey. The city of Newark putting a mandatory curfew at 8 p.m. in effect tonight as the state tries to make testing available to all residents statewide.
And as we mentioned, there have been 5 deaths in the Garden State. CBS 2's Jessica Layton in Paramus for us.
Well, very soon here in New Jersey, at least some of those who have symptoms won't have to wonder what's making them sick. The state's first drive-through testing center is being set up in those tents behind me here on the campus of Bergen Community College. With 114 positive infections, you could call Bergen County the state's hot zone for COVID-19. The National Guard and State Department of Transportation are here teaming up to get testing up and running by Friday.
Once the patient goes to the hospital, it takes 3 to 5 days to get the results. So all that time you're wondering, what is the real situation? The situation is urgent for the county's first responders who are on the front lines of the crisis.
Eye cover, mask, gown, and gloves.
Equipment preparation during this pandemic is paramount. We got a look at 2 specially outfitted ambulances that Paramus Emergency Services will be using. Notice the supply cabinets are covered to avoid cross-contamination. Police have been responding to patients with protective gear.
Incidents have been ratcheting up here. Getting further equipment is getting more and more difficult.
With nearly 430 cases statewide and hopes of slowing down the rapid spread, Governor Murphy imposed a curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Home Depot in Paramus had a line out the door as people abided by Bergen County's new limit of no more than 50 people inside stores at a time. In Essex County, we saw neighbors helping neighbors by picking up groceries and leaving the bags on their stoops.
There was some bleach and they have some other stuff, so she just asked me to get it.
Children whose schools are closed have been learning remotely. Social distancing has been the most important lesson of all.
I'm not even allowed to visit my grandparents because I'm afraid of them maybe me infecting them.
The walking trails have been packed with people taking in fresh air and trying to get rid of stress. This group of friends decided to pick a quiet neighborhood in Short Hills for a bike ride, taking precautions their parents have been hammering home.
We each brought our own water bottles. We're just keeping distance and not like touching hands and stuff like that.
And late today, we learned an anonymous donor has given $2.25 million to University Hospital in Newark to help in the response to this public health emergency. We're in Paramus, New Jersey. Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.